This tutorial review will show you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone. To set a live wallpaper, you have to update iOS 17 or newer version. Once done, open your camera and enable live option. Then capture a live photo. Then open the photo. Tap on the share icon. And here, tap on use as wallpaper. And here, enable live option. And here you can see the photo is live. And tap on add. Set as wallpaper pair. And this is how we can set live wallpaper on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.